Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Dixieland Elementary School in Madera, California. And this is my second visit to their campus. Beautiful day, beautiful weather. Got to do 3 programs for all the grades, and that was in the cafeteria. We're also having a parent program tonight on positivity, being your best self. But today's focus really took it up a level from when I came last school year. We talked about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you look at your best friend's heart. But today we focused on diversity, our differences on the outside or the inside. We have to appreciate and honor everyone for who they are. But also we talked about the need for human kindness. And it's so cool because this campus, has such a unique culture and background. It's over 100 years old, founded in 1913. So 110 years now, right by the bench out here that talks about that outside the main school entrance and the office here. But it's such an honor for me to always return to this school district and really get to, share my heart with students and staff. And there was just so much love here on campus today. Everywhere I went, hey, Mr. Peace, Mr. Peace. And I love that. Because that means that something rang true during my first visit, that they remembered something. And I always talk about how, sometimes the only thing that we remember on someone or want to remember on someone is their heart. But only if we're doing acts of kindness and acts of love and choosing to accept others, include others, show empathy, show compassion, and show that unconditional love. And that's love without any conditions, that even if someone's taller, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color than us, born different, or had something that happened in their life that makes them different than us, we can still choose to include them, see them as a human being before anything else. And be able to see them as this. In all my programs, I talk about this, the lines on our hands, we all have the letter M. I traced one of mine here again. That M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down W for worthy. And that means that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But there's still a lot of students across this nation, people in general, that reach out to me on a daily basis that say, look, I don't even appreciate my own diversity. I don't like my own differences. When I look in the mirror, I don't really like the reflection. And that breaks my heart. But to know that all of us, have this opportunity to hopefully, be that light to someone else's heart and make them see that they are worthy of that love. That's huge. And so I love, getting to come back year after year and building on what we've already discussed, but, talking about these other important topics and subjects, and knowing that we're trying to not just, come once and leave, but I'm trying to follow up again and again and again to really reinforce these principles, of the heart, life lessons that if you get at a young age are going to help you, in terms of your relationships, your interactions, your education, and knowing that our true education is not just in the books or within these walls here at this school, but it's in the friendships that we're going to form, right? That sometimes our closed minds and hearts will shield us from meeting amazing friends, amazing people, potentially future best friends. So if we can, be able to open that up to others around us, then, that's huge. And so through a series of heartfelt stories today, some powerful videos, some inspirational music, the students, they really did get that, it struck a lot of heart chords. Some of it was emotional. A lot of them came up to me, gave me a hug after, just said, hey, Mr. Peace, what you shared really touched my heart today. And I said, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift of kindness by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Hope to be back again soon in the future. Until then, though, and as always, have a great rest of the school year, and make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.